Buenos días. Muy bien. I've been adding videos de música at the beginning of each slide. And so if at home you feel like you would like to watch this, it's just for your enjoyment. Different styles of music throughout Latin America and Spain. So please watch and enjoy. If not, you can begin with slide número uno. Give me a second. This is trying to play as I advance the slide. Okay, muy bien. ¿Eres un preguntón, chicos or chicas? ¿Eres una preguntona? Are you an inquisitive person? Do you ask a lot of questions? You could say, sí, soy preguntón, chicos. Yes, I ask a lot of questions. Or no, no soy preguntona. Sí, soy preguntona para las chicas. So today we're going to learn about asking questions, asking yes-no questions. Hoy es el 12 de mayo y es miércoles. I ask a lot of questions too. ¿Alguna pregunta? Do you have any questions? So that's a question I ask a lot in class. Okay, don't forget that your assignment is to submit this, your formative número dos. Make sure that you have this submitted. If you do not, this is something you're going to want to search for día uno, formativo número dos, and it has all the instructions there. And you can submit it to me via Schoology on your camera roll, your video. Okay, so at home, I'd like you to practice a simple rhythm, and you can kind of practice along with me. So, uno, 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 dos, tres. Uno, 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 dos, tres. Ideally, you're with a friend or a partner, but because of COVID, we try to avoid contact. So you would be like uno, dos, tres, right? But you can go on your desk instead. Now, why are we doing this? We are doing this so that we can practice our subject pronouns and our verbs. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Those are our subject pronouns. There's 10, hay 10. I want you to practice that with the rhythm until you've got it without looking at the screen. So I'm not looking at the screen right now. I'm just looking outside. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Yo, tú, él, ella, usted. Nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Now we're going to do the same with the verb. Voy, vas, va, va, va. Why are there 3? Because there's 3 here. Voy, vas, va, va, va. Vamos, vamos, van, van, van. Voy, vas, va, va, va. Vamos, vamos, van, van, van. Voy, vas, va, va, va. Vamos, vamos, van, van, van. Okay? So practice that. What is that for? If I say nosotros, you're going to be able to transfer vamos. So we're going to learn the 10 subject pronouns and the 5 conjugates. So practice that at home. Okay, you need to take notes here. These are the 3 ways to ask yes or no questions. You can pause when I'm done describing the first way. You want to make your voice rise at the end of the statement. Luis va al restaurante a pie. That's a statement. Luis is going to the restaurant on foot. Question, pregunta. Luis va al restaurante a pie? All I've done is make my voice rise, take away the period, and add the 2 question marks, 1 inverted. So please write this down. This is the first way. Make your voice rise. Now it's a question. It's magic. Pause and take the notes. Número 2. Add the words no o verdad at the end of the statement. Luis va al restaurante a pie. That's a statement. Pregunta. Luis va al restaurante a pie. No? Luis va al restaurante a pie. ¿Verdad? Now you're asking. Luis is going to the restaurant on foot. No? Luis is going to the restaurant on foot, right? Okay. No o verdad. Still making it rise. That's the second way to make a yes-no question. Because the answers are either sí or no, or yo no sé. Okay? Pause. The third way is swap the subject with the verb. Okay? Luis va al restaurante a pie. Luis is going to the restaurant on foot. Now swap it. Va Luis al restaurante a pie? Luis va. Va Luis? Okay, so then you swap the subject and the verb. This requires you to identify what is the subject and what is the verb. That's the third way and perhaps the most challenging, but also the most useful. Take notes on this, please. Okay, at home, I want you to skip this part. Skip, 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 skip. Okay, if you are able to at home get these color markers, rosa, naranja, amarillo, verde, azul, rosa, naranja, amarillo, verde, azul, and cut out this amount of paper, like little flashcards. So cut out 10 little white strips, 6 little white strips, uno, once, seis, so that's 16, 17, 17. I'm counting 34 little white strips, like little sizes, right? And then you're going to create 10 of them with the color red with these on each one. It's not a flashcard. You're writing yo on one, putting it aside. 2 on another, putting it aside. Now let me give you an example as to why. Okay, you're going to refer to this if you need to. Ella. So with your pink strip that says ella, what goes with ella? Now this is rainbow order. Va. What comes after? A. Give me the verb to eat. Comer. It's a statement. Ella va a comer. She is going to eat. Now take those strips and do something with them. Show me what you can do. Make it a question by following the first way to make a question. All you do is take the period away and add the question. Ella va a comer. That would be a simple level question. That would be a 1-point question. Ella va a comer. No. That's the second way to make a question. Coma, question, and then no at the end. The third way is swapping the subject and the verb. Look at the rainbow. It's no longer there. Va ella a comer. That'd be a 3-point question. So how many 3-point questions can you make? How many 2-point? You're kind of playing with all the different flashcards that you have. And if you feel comfortable with this, you can ask yes/no questions in your tarea. I am extending this homework assignment to next week as well, so you can complete this over the weekend or complete this on Monday and Tuesday of next week. Okay, muy bien. Adios.